So so welcome to this class. Today, I'm going to show you one of the tools that I used during the tax season that was so helpful for me. And almost everybody on my team used it. Carlos Rosario, our CEO, he showed me how to use it. He uses so much. The name of this form is Cognito. Jenny know Cognito so much. Yes, we know Cognito. So I'm going to show you what I use it. I'm going to show you some stuff. Why? Cognito Form, I love it. This is one of the tools I've been using for my clients to send information, send me paperwork. And now that you're gonna open a new division in your company, you're gonna need some way to get information from your clients, and some information is sensitive. So you need something that you can give it to them. They can send it back to you, and you know the information is secure. So I'm using Cognito Form. Yeah, I'm good. I'm using Cognito Form. This is one of the forms that I love. Let me put this here. As you see, once you open an account, it's pretty easy. You just go to the front page, cognito.com. And then when you go to cognitoforms.com, you just put your email address. There is two ways. You can get the free version, which allow you to have a form, but you cannot have signatures, which I use a lot with my clients. Every time somebody sends me something, I want them to sign, just in case they say, no, I never did, Elizabeth. Guess what? Yes, you did. I have your signature here. So this is one of the forms that I use. Let me see if I can show you how they look before to start working. Let me show you this. What I'm using this is for me, the best way. You see all the forms that I have. This is the best way that I was getting information from my clients all the time. As you can see, this is the form. I can just download it. This is the client intake form that I use for my clients. All the information that I need to do this tax is right here. You can see the driver license, information dependency. I even asked about COVID. I asked about how many days they were sick, if they have 1099G, so I know how to treat the tax when I start working on it, and the signature. It may not look the best signature, but guess what? This one has this kind of form track somewhere the people fill out the forms to you. So if something happens, let's say something happened with the IRS, you got a way to show that, okay, this person on this information was the one who sent me this. So it's easy for you. As you can see, Cognito Form, honestly, this is almost all my forms that you can see. I use it for TSG, tax season for my clients. I use it for my tax clients. I use for people to contact me. Income statement, I got my income statement. So when I'm working with barbers, you know how hard it is to work with self-employed. We are self-employed, so we know how hard it is to work with self-employed. What I do, I just send the link. They fill out the information. They upload whatever pictures I need. Sometimes they upload the bank statement or the ID, something that I need to do the work, and send it to me. I get an email, download it on my computer, upload it on the software, and that's it. Easy breezy cover girl. I don't have to have a lot of papers. I don't have to stress. They can get it they can do it on the cell phone. They can do it on the laptop, and it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you, we're going to do today a new form so you can see how easy it is to build a form. The one that I'm showing you right now is the paid version. I got a paid version because I need signatures and I need other features. And it's pretty easy and it's worth it. It's only $15 a month. And honestly, it's worth a lot, especially when you have a business that is most of the time online and you want people to start meeting you, and you don't want to be face to face with a person, and you want people to start sending you. Sometimes you don't want your WhatsApp, like it happened years before. People start sending you information through WhatsApp. When you know what happened with WhatsApp, sometimes it get hacked. We don't want that. So this was the best option for me. So I just go here, new form, and I start building my form. We're gonna do just a really like a contact form. I'm just gonna put here, contact Elizabeth, something simple. Maybe my last name because there's many Elizabeth in this world. Elizabeth. I can add a description. Get in touch with me. So that's gonna be the heading of the form. I just go to the plus sign. Here is like a little drop box where I can start adding what I want. Let's say that I'm gonna do this form for people that want to have one-on-one with me to do social media, for example. I just go here and add the text. I can put any text here. Let's say I wanna, here's the one you write, here's what you're gonna be seeing. So let's say I wanna social media platform, for example. Then I can add another line, but I'm gonna add the name, so it's gonna be here. If I want this one to be required, I just come here, and here where it says require this field, I just go here, always. Here, let's say that I wanna add the phone number, I wanna get in touch with the person, I want this one to be required. This one, let's say I wanna do the email, because I need to do my mailing list, what you should be doing now. Keep your clients informed of what's going on through your mailing list. I want to add more information. Let's say that I want to add the website, or just leave it. Let's leave it simple. I want to add the signature, want the people to sign. And I always add, this is required. And I always add like a little text to this information where I ask people, hey, you are allow me to contact you, because you don't want in the future, you don't want people said that they never give you your information. That is the do not call list that we know we have to be aware of. So what I do here, I just add this information here. I just add like a little check box content where I write, signing this info, you are allowing Elizabeth Dowell and her team, or I can use my company, or I can use Dowell Financial if it's regarding taxes, to contact you, for example. Okay, then right now the form is almost about to save. When I go to the next step, is going to go to publish. This is how the form is gonna look when I send it to somebody. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to here, it show me more, but let's go to the editor here. I can change the header. Let's say that we're gonna get our up logo. Let's put the TSG logo, which is easy breezy to find on my computer. I have so many forms of TSG logo. Let me go here and give me 1 second. Columns. I just get my logo. The best things to do with your logo is to have a PNG logo. If you don't know how to do it, let me know. Let's pretend this is the side that is supposed to be there. It has to be a small logo. I can put the logo of my company. I can create a headboard on the top, and in that head, I can create design on Canva. I just can take these measurements here, upload it to Canva, create a design, put this example. I put my photo, my logo, my information, and then when it's ready, I just save it. I'm gonna come over here, publish, copy this, and this link is the one that I'm gonna send to my clients. This way, my clients, when I send it to them, they're gonna receive this one. They can fill out the forms, submit it, and I'm gonna receive an email right away. Why this was so good for me and all my pro advisors and everybody that I work with, because it takes away the stress that you need to submit papers. It takes away the stress that, oh, I receive an information from somebody who this person is. Here, every time you receive a form, you're going to know what that form come from. That form come for, let's say that you start doing credit repair right now, and the person, you say, okay, I'm gonna send you a form, fill out the form with all the information, all the details, but you can add, for example, you can add in the form, let's say this is for credit repair. You can add here, do you have Credit Karma? What is your score in Credit Karma? Do you have experience? What's your course in experience? How many debt do you have? All the information that you're gonna need for the clients, you can use it. No, this is not Jot Form. I used Jot Form for many years until I start using Cognito Form. Carlos Rosario, he introduced it to me. We on TSG use it almost for everything, and we love it. One of the things that here, for example, you can upload information. You can ask here to upload documents. If you want the people to upload it from the cell phone, from the computer, it's pretty easy. They just come here. what I'm recommending this because for myself this past year was amazing. For my business that I'm working right now, every time I have like a live, I have a meeting, I have something, I just send a link. I have a domain. The domain is forward to this link that you have see right here. So let's say that you go to contact me at tsg.getproadvisor.com. It's gonna come to one of my forms. The people is gonna fill out that forms. It's gonna go straight to my email. So I already have the information of the clients, the phone number, the email, the address if I want it, depending on what I'm selling. And I just contact them with all the details that I need. So this way I have everything I need from my clients and I don't have to be face-to-face. The only thing that I have to do is send this link that I can do it through WhatsApp. I can add it to my MailChimp. If I had decided to do newsletter, I just add the link. When people click the link, they go straight here, fill out the form, and that form comes straight to me. This is what I'm recommending because it's working so good for everybody in the company. And I want you to be aware that if you're gonna start doing credit repair, you're gonna need something to get in touch with your clients and some forms that you can collect information and start working. Most of the people, when you start asking for information, they're like, oh, I don't have it right now, I need to wait. So this way you send the link, you just have to follow up. Hey, you got information ready? Hey, did you fill out the link? And it's pretty easy and it's more secure. For me, this being the most secure way to send information to my clients during the tax season and for other business. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this form. Let me send the link to the chat so you can work on it. You can check. My recommendation will be open a free account, work with a free account, see how it looks like, and it's gonna be pretty good for you. I'm 100% sure you're going to love this form. So thank you so much. Let me see if any question. One second here.